Bullish Jasmy coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 3 cents and 6 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept JASMY could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional construction of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and spreading out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Be that as it may, with this constant development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information security convention that places information a majority rule government at a high worth and plans to go about as a delegate for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded conjectures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise twisting? And what's the cost figure for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the JASMY state, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets, subsequently developing the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to construct it as Worldwide Space Record Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3 stockpiling network that offers the motivating forces of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Jasmy has as of late shared numerous significant data and updates that have impacted the JASMY token cost. Jasmy applications. Jasmy applies to on-chain exchanges as it gives a stage to people and organizations to move tokens involving computerized gadgets as confirmation of significant worth trade or installment for administration. Jasmy is applied to move tokens later or during an exchange as installment for administrations presented on the convention. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, Silocentripay, a SenseNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and incorporated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasmy additionally fills in as a framework that empowers information trade among organizations and organizations, as they plan to fabricate an uncommon time of data. This multitude of utilizations referenced above show that the utilization instance of JASMY both on-chain and in reality is major areas of strength for the interest in the token won't wind down yet rather increment over the long run. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise speculation portfolio. In any case, this isn't monetary exhortation as you're encouraged to do all necessary investigation. Jasmy coin current cost. Jasmy coin is presently worth $0. JASMY has moved 5.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $181,098,492. Jasmy coin is presently positioned 114 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $351,741,945 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Jasmy coin market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The JASMY cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 1 cent. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 1 cent in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value forecast 2024. In 2024, Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the JASMY's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 2 cents and JASMY might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 2 cents and a low of 2 cents in 2025. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Jasmy Coin effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 3 cents, with a base cost of 3 cents and a typical cost of 3 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, JASMY has a greatest value worth of 4 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 4 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 4 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 4 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 5 cents and a yearly cost close above 5 cents in 2029. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Jasmy Coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 6 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 6 cents, averaging out at 6 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 7 cents in case of a bull run.